Namaskar. The chief guest for our convocation, Dr. Sridhar Vembu, members of the governing board, trustees, Provost Dr. Vidyarthi, faculty, parents, and graduating students. Good evening. Our graduates, your proud families, our faculty, and our guests. I take a moment to extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Vembu. We are deeply grateful to you for finding time in your extremely busy schedule to be with us today, especially when there is a wedding in his family and he should have been at the wedding celebration at this time, but that you are here shows your commitment to young people, to inspire them. Your presence speaks volume about your generosity of spirit and your enduring support for education, young people, and institutions like ours. We are truly honored to have you with us. Today is a day of celebration and reflection, a day when we honor the hard work of our graduating students as well as the hopes and dreams that have brought them here. India stands at the threshold of a remarkable transformation today as we work towards Viksit Bharat 2047. One truth stands clear. Our country's progress will depend not only on scale and speed, but how thoughtfully we design our growth. Or as the Honorable Prime Minister has said, the future of India will be shaped not only by policies, but by how imaginatively we design our development. Design has always been India's quiet strength. It's present in our crafts, in our cities, and our problem-solving instinct. However, in today's world, design has evolved beyond aesthetics and creativity. It is becoming a way of thinking, a way of building solutions that are inclusive, sustainable, and truly human. As the Prime Minister says, design is no longer about how something looks, it is about how a system works. Design helps us examine systems, how people live, work, travel, and connect, and find better ways to make them function more effectively. When applied with purpose, it can make homes more affordable, mobility more accessible, healthcare more humane, technology more intuitive, and governance more transparent. That is the power of design. It helps us see the whole picture, connect the dots, and act responsibly. Design is not a discipline limited to the studios. It is a discipline for life. It gives us the tools to reimagine industries, rebuild communities, and renew our environment. It's how we transition from a Make in India as an aspiration to design for India. As the Prime Minister again has said, we must not only manufacture in India, but we must also design in India, for India, and for the world. At Anant National University, we see ourselves as a part of this national mission. We are not just teaching design, we are helping young people apply it in life, to society, and to the challenges of our time. We are helping them turn creativity into careers that make a difference. Careers that build, repair, and renew the world around us. Our approach, DesignX, combines design with technology, sustainability, research, and the wisdom of India's craft traditions. It encourages students to think broadly, work diligently, and design thoughtfully. Our graduates leave not just with portfolios, but with the confidence that what they create can stand up to the world's toughest challenges and make a life a little better for others. Many of them already are. They are designing safer cities, developing sustainable materials, creating more inclusive public spaces, and enhancing digital experiences. Some have joined leading firms, others have built their own ventures. Each of them is proof that design, when grounded in purpose, has the power to move a nation forward. And as the Prime Minister often reminds us, nation building is not just the job of governments alone. It is shaped by every citizen who chooses responsibility over convenience. This impact is no accident. It is the result of a vision we have nurtured since the very beginning. Today, Anant has made significant progress in its mission to cultivate future-ready, empathetic, solution-oriented design leaders who will carry forward the learnings at Anant and make a real impact in the world. We have not only grown in numbers, but also deepened our commitment to contributing meaningful to national development. This year, we have been recognized as a center of excellence by the government of Gujarat, an honor that reaffirms our commitment to advancing design-led education and research in India. Our strong performance in both the NIRF and GSIRF rankings reflects our quality and the trust we have established as an institution that combines creativity with purpose. This year has also marked a transition in our leadership. We express our gratitude to Dr. Anant Chaubey for his leadership and vision during his tenure, and we warmly welcome Dr. Sanjeev Vidyarthi as our new provost. Dr. Vidyarthi brings deep expertise in urban planning and global collaboration, ensuring that Anant's next phase will build on its strong foundations while opening new pathways for innovation and impact. As a center of excellence, we now aim to push our boundaries further and set new benchmarks for ourselves. Here, we don't just teach design, we nurture design thinkers who question, collaborate, and build solutions that impact lives. To enable this vision, Anant offers a world-class environment for learning and making. Our campus is designed as a space for experimentation and collaboration, a space where ideas turn into action. We are further expanding our facilities to ensure that our students have access to the latest technology and high-end spaces. enabling them to bring their dreams to life. Being shaped by some of the most renowned architects, B.V. Doshi, Rajiv Katapalya, Bimal Patel, Rahul Mehrotra, Sasaki, Hafiz Contractor, Aniket Bhagwat, and Vijay Arya. This expansion is not just about new buildings, it's about offering a learning experience that surpasses global standards. Education at Anant is not one size fits all. We recognize that each student's journey is unique. That's why our flexible curriculum allows students to design their own learning pathways. This freedom empowers them to explore their interests, discover their strengths, and prepare for the careers they truly desire. Our career-oriented education ensures that every student graduates ready to make meaningful contribution, whether in industry, research, or entrepreneurship. They are equipped with the skills and mindset to continue learning, adapting, and leading in a rapidly changing world. As we begin this new chapter, that design is not only what you do, it is how you think, how you listen, and how you act. Carry, my dear students, that mindset with humility and courage. Design is not about being different. It's about making a difference. And every thoughtful step you take will leave the world a little better designed. I once again congratulate all of you and your parents for all the help and all the support that they have given you. May you go out and design not just for a living, but for a better Bharat and a better world. Thank you.